Jai Shri Mahakal.
𝐿.
So today we have a patient from UK. He is Omar from UK. Let's hear from him how was his experience with 𝐚 Holistic Dental Care regarding the holistic dentistry, regarding the extraction of root canals, and what improvement he felt. Welcome.
Yeah, thanks so much. Yeah, I would say.
Please let us know how was your experience.
Yeah, I would say my experience being here in India, Haldwani, been excellent. It was great from the day arrived here. Everything went smooth and well to my expectation. So the first week I had first surgery, which we extracted like one of my root canal and one of my other tooth, which is both were infected. Also, they had cavitation, and so prior to the surgery, we had IV, and after surgery, we had IV in order to help with the healing, and then on the second week we had another surgery.
A week later.
Yeah, a week later. Yeah, so there was a week in between in order to give it time to recover and to heal from the previous surgery. It all went well, and both surgeries were. I can honestly say that there was no pain at all. During the surgery and after surgery, even myself, I was surprised that I didn't feel any pain. I didn't feel any discomfort. The only thing, just the beginning, when you try to numb, the jaw and the gum and the areas, there was slight pain, but there was no pain at all.
In your case, it was an active infection, as I told you, so the numbing was not that successful. Then I had to use 2-3 times here.
Yeah, actually,
it was a big infection.
Yeah, this is true. It was really active. Both root canal and the other two, my molar area, there was active infections, which on my daily basis, in my daily life, I just could feel them.
You could feel the swelling on the
belly? The swelling also. There was every time when I was eating. So after eating, a blister was popping up, from inside, and I could feel it in my tongue. I knew that there is infection. So obviously, on the day of the surgery, it wasn't getting numb, and you try your best a few times to be anesthesia. Then finally, after disturbing the infection, then doing injection directly, that it became numb, and we could do the surgery instruction. It went great. And I was very happy with both surgeries. And
there was no post-operative pain, anything.
No, there's. As I said, I was even myself, surprised. There was no pain. Usual people experience pain, discomfort after surgery, like swelling and all kind of discomfort. But me personally, I didn't experience that. So that was very great. Maybe I was lucky. I don't know. Maybe it's my body's immune system, because everybody reacts differently. And that was amazing for me. And I can say.
Did we give you any antibiotic, any painkillers for that?
There was no antibiotics involved. What was given was a homeopathic medicines, which I should have taken like every 10 minutes, every 10 minutes, and just for better recovery and better healing. Though I didn't have any pain as well, but that was given, just to recover quick. And I believe it did help a lot, So there was no antibiotic involved, and I was surprised, because everywhere, every dentist, all around the world, they prescribe with antibiotics, to fight the infection, But that was great, yeah. And also during the surgery, obviously, you try your best, you know, what I mean, to clean the infection with this ozone therapy, yeah. And
following all the holistic protocols.
You followed what I was told, you know, I mean, you followed your protocol. So I think, I believe you did everything in details, yeah. So that's why I had no pain as well. I'm sure you did everything that you could think of, you know, I mean, the knowledge you had, yeah, and your experience that you put in that work, and it was great. It was brilliant, yeah. I'm really happy with what you done, and I can say that was great, fantastic, yeah.
So what improvements you felt in your general health?
Yeah, regarding to my improvement, as I said, you know, in my first day of arriving here, after my arrival, we had a consultation. I've said that I have back pain and knee pain, and my back pain was very severe, especially when I was sitting down and then standing up. I could feel constantly, and it was really severe pain. It was like toothache. It was, you know, I mean, I had that much pain, yeah. And but luckily, after doing the surgery, even first surgery, I could feel the improvement of my back pain. Yeah. Now I can say that maybe 80% my back pain is just gone.
Oh, that's
great. I can easily stand up, I can easily sit down. There is still slight pain. I can say 100% improve, yeah, but I'm expecting in the near future, maybe in the coming days, coming weeks, yeah, that will be solved as well. Yeah. But this is a massive improvement that I experienced after the surgery, and this is really great, yeah. And also I've noticed, prior to coming here, always had thrush, mouse thrush, tone thrush on my tone, yeah, on daily basis, especially in the morning when I was getting up, during the day, afternoon, yeah. But in last 2 days, I've noticed that there is improvement as well. I've noticed some improvement. There is less thrush, and also I have better saliva during the day, and also in the morning when I woke up, so I don't feel like mouth dry. And this is one of the improvement, yeah. And
how is your knee pain? You told me you have knee pain also.
Yeah, I had knee pain often. Yeah, often I had knee pain, yeah, and also when I was standing up, like for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, or half an hour, yeah, I would get knee pain, yeah, and it was very severe. But since I'm here, really, it just no pain at all. Even sometimes I'm walking for long hours, long times, yeah. I was standing on my feet, yeah, for a long time, yeah, but there is no pain. I don't feel any pain, yeah. Even for the back pain, yeah, as soon as I was standing like for 10-15 minutes, yeah, I could feel the pain, yeah, but now there's don't feel any pains, yeah. And this is a great improvement, yeah. That just I don't know what I want more than this, yeah. Yeah, I'm hoping that I have other issues as well, yeah, but I'm expecting this in coming days, yeah, will be held as well. But it's really great, yeah, to see my back pain. Yeah, it was very massive discomfort, yeah, because I have working at a desk, you know, I have to sit on a chair, yeah, for long hours, yeah. And then I'm imagining, yeah, just sitting down and work, and there's no discomfort. Yeah, this is really big help for me. Yeah, thanks.
So what would you say about the accommodation? You took the accommodation here, you stayed for 2 weeks nearly. More than 2 weeks.
Yeah, my case is more than 2 weeks, so today is gonna be almost 3 weeks.
3
yeah.
weeks.
Yeah, I would say about the accommodation. The accommodation is, I mean, just the building itself. The location, yeah, is really very nice, very calm, very relaxing. Yeah, with being on the top floor with lots of space, open space, a lot of sunshine. close to the clinic,
Yeah.
so you don't have that burden, to go somewhere else, then come back here, yeah. So stay away from the clinic, you go upstairs, then you rest, and this is a really good point for the patients who are willing to come here, they want to be here. And this is a great point, yeah, having this accommodation on third floor, yeah. In terms of cleanliness, the rooms are clean and provided with almost everything that the patient needed. Yeah, and being cleaned and swept like regularly on weekly basis. Also, you had access to downstairs and also to other areas of the building, yeah. And there's lab brightness and lights, that's a really great point. It's for healing, for healing your mind, spiritually. It just when you enter in the building, you already feel like, you came to a location that there is a healing, there is a cure, I'm feeling so great. It just being here, like just going like to a temple or to a mosque or to a church. Yeah, it's very nice. Just honestly, just so nice. I'm not trying to exaggerate or anything, but just what I'm seeing. Being here, you can't say until you're here. But this is my honest review about the accommodation. Yeah.
How was the food? Was the food served to your room? Everything was great, or how was it?
Yeah, the food. I can say the food is all been great. I had no complaint about the food. Obviously, every time I say thanks for the food. Yeah, and because everything that they provided from a family farm, everything being organic. All the dishes that they serve, obviously they cooked for their family, for your family, and this food also provided to us and given to us, which is really a great thing. They are so hygienic wise, taste wise, I can say it's all been good. The food, homeopathic food, and it's all home recipes, yeah, and all done with your great family, your wife, and the staff that are working here. Yeah, the food has been great, delicious, and we've been given 3 meals a day, and sometimes even, your wife and your staff, yeah, ask us, if you want, if the food was enough, if you want more, yeah. So everything went fantastic food-wise. Yeah, I can say, the food has been great and fantastic. Yeah, I've really liked it, and it fulfilled my expectation. Yeah.
So what would you say to the people who are going for the root canals, or they are indicated for root canal? The dentist told them they need a root canal. So what is your opinion and what is your suggestion to them?
Yeah, I would say if you haven't done root canal, please don't do that. Don't do at all. Don't do root canal at all. But if you've done it, if you've done root canal and you're suffering, and you just find out that you have a root canal and you have all other health issues, and I would suggest you to come to a place where is treat you holistically and with a care. So I would advise everyone, not only here, but just in order to remove your root canals and deal with your amalgam and also any mercury that you have in your mouth, just please, just go for a holistic dentist.
Yes.
Because this is where you get treated nicely with with a nice care, well look after. And I would suggest everyone, especially if they want to come to India, I would suggest Sai Holistic Dental Care, because you've been great, the clinic been great, the staff, they've been great, they treat all the patients equally, nicely, with kind, with passion, I would really suggest everyone to come to this clinic, and if they decide to come,
Thank you very much. Thank you for trusting us.
Thanks so much. I appreciate all your help, everything that you done for me as a patient. I would never ever I forget, and it's been great time being here. Just not because of the treatment, yeah, just knowing you when I'm see India, Haldwani, as you know, I went to a few places with great mountains and great nature. Yeah, it just the nature when you look just on top of the accommodation, when you just look at the mountains, yeah, it just gives you this kind of vibes, and it just makes you happy. Just look at the mountains, yeah, from top floor, from the accommodation, yeah, it just gives you really just heals you. Yeah, it's been great. Yeah, just a part of the treatment. Yeah, it's just been great in India, especially in Haldwani. Yeah, I'm seeing you guys. Yeah, all. Yeah, and thanks so much.
Thank you.
Yeah, thanks so much.